Hey y'all, welcome back to our last episode of Ace Culinary, at least for this summer. I hope you guys have had as much fun as I have doing this, and I hope you learned a few things and keep cooking and we get to see each other in person in the fall. But anyway, we've been cooking outside and the heat has driven me back inside. It's hot, and so what we decided to cook this week was Greek salad because it's light and refreshing, not something heavy on our stomachs, not something hot to cook. So if we jump into the salad, first thing we need to do is make our salad dressing. So we need to put, calls for a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then it calls for 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 minced clove of garlic, and then 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, and let's see, 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Gonna help emulsify things. And 1/4 teaspoon, just a pinch of sea salt, that'll work, and some fresh ground black pepper. And then all you need to do is put this together well and try to get it emulsified. Sit there until we're ready to dress our salad. All right, and what I did up on the salad, we've been cutting stuff up all year, so most of the things I've got done ahead of time. One of the few things we haven't done is seed a cucumber, so I'm going to show you how to do that. This is a big old cucumber, probably more than I want to eat in this salad, so I'm going to cut it in half. But here's the thing, cut it lengthwise, longitudinally, like this, and then you see you have a row of seeds that are on the inside, and you'll see some videos that tell you to put your spoon in it and just scrape, but if you do that you're going to tear up your cucumber. So you're going to put your spoon in on the end, and you still slice it, but you just slice it with your spoon. All right along the edge of those seeds, turn it. And then it should just fall right out. Easy peasy, nothing to that. Go along the edge where the seeds are. There you go, seeded your cucumber, not much to that. All right. And then it says cut these into 1/4 inch slices. So. Now, our recipe doesn't call for any lettuce, but a traditional ingredient in a Greek salad is romaine lettuce, and we like lettuce, so I went ahead and have some romaine lettuce that we stuck in there. All right, and then have a green bell pepper we cut into 1-inch pieces. Put that in there. And then a couple of cups of cherry tomatoes that we cut in half. Put those on. Got some, let's see, feta cheese, but I'm going to put the olives in next. Put those around. I'm going to put my onions in there. Onions are kind of one of those things, just put, well, all of it, put in there what you like, all right? Sprinkle my cheese on there. All right, now all you have to do is dress this thing. Mix it up. I'll work on that salad dressing just a little more. And don't feel like you have to put all the dressing on your salad. Just put enough on there to give it all the glisten. Get this all of it. Alright, and then if you want to, you can put just a little bit of oregano back on top, make it look pretty. There you go. Give you a nice summer Greek salad. That didn't take long to make, and it'll sure taste good. So there you are. Hope you guys have had a good summer, enjoyed culinary. And so stay safe, and we'll see you this fall. Have a good summer.